Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices from QuickBooks to Xero with CSV conversion. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Navigate to the Sales menu from the left sidebar. Select Invoices to view all your existing invoices. Click on the Export option, usually found at the top right corner. Choose the Export to Excel feature to download your invoices in a spreadsheet format. Open the downloaded Excel file to prepare it for conversion. Review the data to ensure all necessary invoice details are included. Delete any columns that are not required for Xero, such as payment status. Next, save the cleaned up file as a CSV. Open Xero in your web browser. Log into your Xero account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Business tab in the main navigation. Select Invoices from the drop-down menu. Find the option that says Import in the Invoice section. Click on Import, and then choose Import Invoices from CSV. Upload your prepared CSV file. Map your CSV columns to the corresponding fields in Xero. Double-check that all fields align correctly. Click Import to begin the transfer. Wait for Xero to process the import and confirm the results. Review the imported invoices in Xero to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the invoices if required. And that's how you transfer invoices from QuickBooks to Xero using CSV conversion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.